Bhavna, your English teacher. Dear friends, today we are going to revise our first English grammar lesson. So let's see the first lesson, sentences. So let's revise the definition of a sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. This is the definition of a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So dear students, what can a sentence do? So, a sentence can make a statement, a sentence can ask a question, a sentence can give an order or make a request, and last, a sentence can express some strong or sudden feelings. So, from the above points, there are four kinds of sentences. The first one, declarative sentences. Second one, interrogative sentences. Third one, exclamatory sentences. And the last, imperative sentences. Now, we will see all kinds of sentences one by one. So, let's revise it. The first one, declarative or assertive sentences. Now, what all these kinds of sentences shows? So, declarative sentences state or declare something. These sentences end with a full stop. Now, let's see with an example. For example, the children were playing in the park. Now, in this sentence, it declares that the children were playing in the park and the sentence ends with a full stop. So, this is the example of declarative or assertive sentence. Now, the second type of sentences is interrogative sentence. A sentence that is used to ask questions is called an interrogative sentence or a question. Now, what is the speciality of this sentence? It ends with a question mark. So, just because of the question mark, we call it as interrogative sentences. For example, who is knocking at the door? Or which is your favorite comic book? Now, in this type of sentence, the sentence ends with a question mark. That's why it is the example or type of interrogative sentence. The third type of sentences is imperative sentences. Now, imperative sentence, for what purpose we used it? A sentence that is used to express a command, a request or a desire is called an imperative sentences. Usually, these sentences also end with a full stop. Now, let's see with example. Keep quiet or take a medicine on time. Now, these sentences shows different emotions. In the first sentence, keep quiet. It shows an order. And in the second sentence, take medicine on time. This shows suggestion to someone. Now, dear friends, let's revise the last kind of sentences, that is exclamatory sentences. So, a sentence that is used to express some strong or sudden feelings is called an exclamatory sentences. These sentences end with an exclamation mark. Now, let's see with an example. So, dear students, let's see example of exclamatory sentences. Wow, what a beautiful flower! And bravo, that was a fine performance. So, dear students, these are all examples of exclamatory sentences. So, dear students, in this way, today we revised our first English grammar lesson, sentences and its kinds. In the next video, we will revise our second English grammar lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.